How to solder. First, you want to clean the pipe with sandpaper. Be sure you don't touch the clean pipe with your hand. The oil from your hand will cause the solder not to take. Make sure you clean all around the pipe. Keep on cleaning.
Go do your homework.
Almost good enough. And it's good. Next, you want to clean the fitting. A wire brush works perfect. Be sure not to touch the inside of the fitting with your fingers. Looks good, nice and clean. Now it's time to add the flux. You want to brush it on the pipe and the fitting. Just a thin layer works great. Looks great to me. Stick your fitting on the pipe. Next, you want to wipe off all the extra flux. This will help make sure your solder doesn't run. Remember, your solder will go wherever the flux is. If flux doesn't run down the pipe, then solder won't run down your pipe. Very nice and clean. These are just a few things you'll need. You need gloves, MAP gas bottle, torch tip, solder, and a striker. Now let's put the torch together. Just screw the torch tip onto the MAP gas bottle. Now you want to turn it on. Just turn the tip till the gas pushes out. Strike the tip where the gas is coming out. Heat the fitting. Now it is very important to heat all around the fitting, on all sides of it. Keep on heating and wipe off any extra flux that comes out. Hit it with some more heat. Touch the solder to the edge of the fitting. Remove the heat so your fitting doesn't get too hot and burn. Run your solder around the whole edge of the fitting. It is very important to get your solder around the whole edge of the pipe. Just a fun fact. Whatever size pipe you're soldering, that's how much solder it takes. For instance, if you're soldering a 1/2 inch pipe, it takes a 1/2 inch of solder. This right here is a 3/4 pipe, so it takes 3/4 of an inch of solder to solder this pipe. Then you want to inspect the joint and make sure the solder joint looks good. This one looks good to me. I'm happy with it. Now you want to wipe the fitting and the pipe down. You want to get all that extra flux off, because if you don't, it'll turn your pipe green and it'll look ugly. You want it to look professional. If this video was helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you for watching.